Alright everybody, welcome back. Thank you for stopping by. I appreciate it. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to install this car charger. Starts out with, out of the box, the charger mount, the instructions, and the charging holder with the charging cord holder. Some screws and the charger itself. Pretty nice looking right here. And once you turn it on, this LED lights up. It's pretty cool. And then the other end of this looks like this. So you got two wires coming out. One is the plug-in right there, and the other end is the charging gun right there. That'll go onto the charging mount later. So make sure your receptacle is already installed. If you don't have that already installed, check out my last video. I'll put that in the description. So you're going to want to make sure that your receptacle is facing the right direction. I had to switch mine because it was facing the wrong direction. As you can see, it'll be really low to the ground if it's not facing the right direction. So once you got your receptacle all figured out and in the right direction, go ahead and mark your holes and make sure you're probably going to want to plug in the charger first to make sure the distance. So once you mount it, it's not going to be too far away to plug in. So once you get that location figured out, go ahead and mark out your holes with a Sharpie or a pencil. And then I like to take a flat or a Phillips tip screwdriver and then hit that with a hammer, make a nice little hole for my anchors. But there was a bunch of studs behind this I figured out, so I went ahead and just used some wood screws and screwed that down solid to the wall. So once I got that, made sure to check it with the level before it was finally tightened, and then from there I went ahead and just dropped the charger on top of it. You'll see here in a second. So once you get that all tightened down, just throw the charger on. And I think there was some screws in the package to tighten down the charger from the side so it doesn't come loose and fall off or get bumped or anything like that. But I just set mine on there for now. And then I went ahead and plugged it in. Like I said, I flipped the receptacle upside down so I got it off the ground a little bit higher. And then once you do that, go ahead and turn your breaker on. There is the white LED right there. And then next you're going to want to put the cable holder and charging gun holder up high enough to your liking. So I just picked a spot up high, and then once again took my Phillips screwdriver and then hit it with a hammer. And I think I hit 2 studs out of 3 or 2 out of 3, so I went ahead and just hit that with a couple wood screws again. And then from there I just pretty much just dropped the charging cord on there, just unrolled that nicely so it wasn't all tangled. And I think that's pretty much all you're going to need to know. It's a pretty simple process. It took me about 10 minutes from start to finish, just throwing the plate on the wall, screwing the charging gun holder to the wall, and then putting the cord onto the charging gun holder. So pretty simple process. It looks really nice and clean. Check these out if you're interested. And that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. God bless, and have an awesome rest of your day. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. It would help me out. I'd appreciate it. Peace.